Now that you're on your way to making your business official, there are a few specific things you should know about forming an LLC in California. Here are some of the steps you'll need to take to make your business as golden as the state itself. First, you'll want to choose a name for your business. This may seem obvious, but there's more to it than just that. We recommend that you search the California Secretary of State's website to ensure your business name isn't already in use by an existing business within the state. If you aren't ready to register your LLC but are concerned your business name might be taken by someone else in the meantime, you can reserve it. In California, names can be reserved up to 60 days by paying a fee and submitting paperwork to the state authority. Second, you'll choose a registered agent, otherwise known as an RA. Your RA is a person or entity that receives official legal documents and notices on behalf of your business. When it comes time to choose an RA, be sure to choose one who's available during regular business hours and has an address in the state of California. Third, you'll need to file some information about your LLC with the Secretary of State. This information is commonly referred to as your Articles of Organization. This includes basic business information like your LLC's name and address, and can be filed online or by mail. When your filing is approved, your LLC is registered as an official business entity. The fourth step is to draft an operating agreement, which is a document that outlines the way you'll run your LLC. Unlike some states, California does require you to draw up an operating agreement, though you don't need to officially file it with the state. Operating agreements can be very helpful if disputes or litigation arise. Next, you'll need to get your employer identification number, or EIN for short. Your EIN is sort of like a social security number for your business and is necessary for banking, taxes, and even hiring employees. Finally, you should get any specific permits or licenses, like a zoning permit or liquor license, that your business may need. You should also note that you will need to file a statement of information with the California Secretary of State within 90 days of forming the LLC. You'll also need to do this every 2 years thereafter during a specific 6-month filing period based on the original registration date. This statement includes information like business name, addresses, registered agent's contact information, and other basics. Additionally, California LLCs must pay certain taxes and fees. There is an annual franchise tax fee of $800, and there may be additional fees depending on annual gross revenue. LLCs also must pay income tax. If you have employees, you'll need to register with the California Employment Development Department and pay employer taxes. If your LLC will be selling goods and collecting sales tax, you should register with the appropriate California taxing authority and register with the California State Board of Equalization. It is highly recommended that you speak with a tax professional about all of the issues mentioned above. Of course, there can be more to forming an LLC than just these few steps. Once you're ready, we'll be there to help you get started at LegalZoom.com.